Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Built by Bailey's. I'm Shane Bailey, owner of Bailey Custom Homes, home builder, licensed general contractor, and also co-host of the Built by Bailey's podcast. This is my shop, and I just want to thank you for joining up, taking a look at my channel. All the stuff we talk about on this channel, I've got how-to videos on anywhere from the basics of construction and home building all the way up to more advanced opportunities to learn, not only in the shop but on the site, and all the things that come with fine home building and tricks and nuances as we get there. I also have a Shane's Shared Thought of the Day that I provide as much as I can about my thoughts on life in general, how to better myself, how to help others, and how to get through and stay positive in life and enjoy everything that we have and are blessed to do. I really appreciate you guys jumping on the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out all the videos that I have, and I'll just keep pumping them out. Make sure you hit the bell so you can get notified every single time we put out a new video. And if you haven't yet, jump on the Apple Podcast or Spotify and make sure you find Built by Bailey's podcast. Give it a listen. I think you guys will enjoy it. We talk about all kinds of stuff on that as well. Business, how to run a construction company, all of the different tricks and tips and new things that come out in the world of construction, what it means to be an entrepreneur, and you can follow along with everything that we're trying to do as far as alternative construction to bring down building costs, which is a passion of mine, to get more people involved in being able to buy a brand new home and bring more of the world into the piece of that we all hope we can get to one day, which is the American dream of owning a home, especially a new one. Follow us along as we get through that process and innovate a shipping container design and prototype, and we'll start posting those videos as we get to them as well. Again, thanks. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys soon.